This week's Caribbean video is Spend Money by Trinidadian and Ronnie Homer and Jamaica Statius. Let's check it out.
Statius. You're sweet like sugar. Sweet, sweeter than you think. African girl, come and wind it up. The thing it's sleeping, wake it up. The bumper, shake it up. Girl, come around and wind me now. The one you give me, girl, make me spend money. The tight pants, make me spend money. Your bam bam, make me spend money. Oh baby, oh, make me spend money. Oh girl, a hook, make me spend money. I wanna juke, make me spend money. I love your look, make me spend money. Make me spend money. Oh, me no African, but this a yard girl run it. Come with the sweet dollar wine, me done it. Pocket of enough, ooze out with the good green stuff. I feel match with me. Cause I sweeter than you think. Hook you faster than you blink. I know you want it, so chip back on me while me wine and flaunt it. The wine you give me, girl, make me spend money. The tight pants, make me spend money. Your bam bam, make me spend money. Oh baby, oh, make me spend money. Better call 911 for the help, cause you can't handle this yourself. Your money me strong, but your back better firm. Can't say me never want, cause you happy as you learn. Money flowing like a rain, no, when I want you, and I need.
One-time prolific track and field athlete Merlene Ottey is under the microscope in this week's Our Trailblazer feature.
She has won 16 bronze medals, 11 silver and 9 gold in a prolific career on the track which began back in 1979. Merlene Ottey, dubbed the Bronze Queen, has represented Jamaica in several meets, including the Olympics, the World Championships and the Pan American Games. Merlene Ottey was named Ambassador of Jamaica following her 1993 gold medal win at the World Championships. She was also awarded the Order of Distinction for services in the field of sports. For her significant accomplishments on the track, we salute Merlene Ottey as our trailblazer for having excelled in and contributed significantly to the world of sports.
Now it's time to check out which songs made the cut in this week's Magnum Top 10.
Enough of them stairs on, enough of them stairs on, enough of them stairs on. Talk them out.
Changes in life, jump on a plane if me like. Mommy don't complain, she alright. Changes top farm, Louis V don't no fat farm. In a smarty data, me a gun, same flame. Top farm, you go up any platform. Buy couple things to keep the block. Me get that dream last night and the dream tell me things all change. A long time and I suffer and I know things still are the same. I show me neck, watch I freeze my wrist. Me and me talk them in the street like this. Every girl see we want to be my chick. Watch I know then.
We don't laugh with people. Prismatic and run the moon. Me goody and me with up in your schema. Empty and you play girlfriend move.
Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Underwater me, underwater, underwater me, underwater, underwater me, underwater me, underwater.
I gotta make them fight me so hard. I lucky things to me no coward. I lucky thing me put me trust in the Lord. Them want me for dead in the mag like that.
On it. Whoa. She said good piece up, but you get me up when you are twerking. This a cup you not nothing to worry about your body perfect. You're perfect. Now your ears and me I tell you all the things that you wire.
And that's how we pull the curtains down on this week's episode of Pree Dis, all the way from New Kingston. I'm your host, Michaela Leana. Be sure to tune in next week. We leave you with more from Rope by Ching Ching.
Let me teach you how to rope. Let me teach you how to rope. Let me teach you how to rope. Tell him see the rope and I said that's dope. Rope. Let me teach you how to rope. Let me teach you how to rope. Let me teach you how to rope. Wall Street a rope and ain't no joke. Rope up. Everybody safe.
One more shot.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.